Look no further than Richard Booth Designs if you are after a camper van interior. Handmade, bespoke. I went there today. Look at this. Full story coming up. You don't want to miss this. It's absolutely incredible. Look at the interior. It's stunning. This is the camper van that I'm restoring. It's had about £1,000 worth of welding done underneath. As you can see from the inside, there is nothing in it. So this is why we went to Richard Booth. This is the story of the day, what happened, how we got on. Guys, this is Charlie the camper van, and this is what the interior looks like at the moment. Obviously, there is going to be where the rock and roll bed will go. And then here, the kitchen units, the sink there, some storage units. Underneath the sink here will be a sort of fridge, and then storage units going right the way along the back to about that height. And kind of a cooker sort of in here, sort of hob. So yeah, it should look absolutely incredible when it's done. So with that being said, we set off on a journey of a couple of hours to get there. It was a case of looking at the interiors, the types of finishes that I wanted, and yeah, this is us just pulling into the place. It was quite easy to find, not too bad. And yeah, this is it. Just arrived at Richard Booth Designs. The guys just have the most amazing workshop. It's awesome. He's been in many magazines. This is just one of the stories. This is the van that he did. Look at this, it's amazing. And then down to this, look at the colours. There was a massive array of colours and finishes to choose from. So I've already got the material colours for the panels. It's going to be light blue for the panels. There's going to be a strip of orange in it, like the Gulf colours. The Gulf car is going to be awesome. And just again, just look at the finish on this. I can't wait to see the finished van. If you'd like to see it, please make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.